Right, so we've just come to the Tambling Nature Reserve. This is one of the big lakes in the area. It should be good for trekking and things. There are a few guides at the entrance. We've just paid our fee to come in, which was 25,000 rupees each. There's a few guides offering different kinds of trips and things, but it's a little bit expensive for us from what we can afford for our daily budget. So we're just going to have a look, see if we can find our own way, and if we can't, then we'll get a guide.
See if tour guide Chris can
tour guide
pull
Chris
out the bag today.
Has never been here before, so he might not be able to do it. But we've rented a motorbike as well from our homestay. That was 70,000 for the day. He was offering tours as well.
He's for about 600 though, isn't it?
Yeah, but he's included taxi here, didn't he?
Yeah.
Which and back, so. But with the bike, obviously, we've cut that kind of expense out. But we'll just have a look.
Just getting to the first lake. That's a beautiful looking temple there.
It is, isn't it?
Looks very quiet.
Banyan tree. You see the one on the outside? There's two trees.
Where?
The banyan tree is the one that it grows on the outside of the other tree.
Ah.
You can see the tree in the centre, and then the banyan tree kind of looks like it's growing around it.
Yeah.
And that's a banyan tree. It grows up other trees basically. I think.
Chris, go and get me an orange.
They're not oranges.
What are they?
I don't know.
What is it? Does it smell like?
I think they're mango.
Let me sniff.
They're not ready to eat, but I'm sure they're mangoes. They look a bit like mango. Although I'm probably very wrong.
Some sort of fruit. That's all we need to know. Oranges and maybe something else.
I'm sure the guide would have been able to tell us.
Probably.
Proper guide. That's the benefits of hiring a real guide. He can tell you what everything is. A mysterious staircase. Let's see where it leads. And the steps keep going. They keep on going. Don't know why Robyn's running. She must be mad. Oh, that's fine.
Another temple. Let's go and have a look.
So we've come to Golden Valley Waterfall. This should be a bit of a eco cafe, it says here as well. So this should be one of 3 waterfalls that maybe we'll be able to see if we can find them.
So we're at the waterfall and we're going to go to Eco Cafe for a coffee and a cake.
Yeah.
The coffee here is Luwak
Coffee.
Luwak Coffee, which is the coffee that the cats digest.
The civet, is it the civet cat? What they've already digested and kind of pooped out.
You gonna try some?
Yeah.
Okay, let's go get some and have a look at the waterfall. This tree is full of coffee beans.
I think we're actually walking through a whole plantation now.
Yeah, I think we are.
I'm more or less every tree. And it's hot coconut sugar with red ginger, cinnamon, lemongrass and fresh coconut milk. I've just read that off the menu. I know, lemongrass. Stick it. And it's pretty amazing, to be honest.
I think that's one of the best hot drinks I've ever had.
I think it really is. It's absolutely amazing. I'm not sure what's going on.
We don't know what's happening with this. Something come out, well, steam come out of here and went into here and filled up, and now it's
Stopped.
This flicked over and stopped, and this has gone back down. So there must be another process.
I don't know.
Chrissy's first sip.
Luwak Robusta coffee.
Basically cat poop.
Oh, it's amazing.
Is it?
It really is. I mean, I feel like a giant with this cup. It's really good. And somehow the coffee, obviously through steam-ish things, right from here all the way into here, and when you turn the little tap, it comes out, doesn't it?
Yeah. I wonder how much more is in that little pot.
I don't know. It's good.
And we've had a dessert. Look.
Lac.
Lac.
And it's some sort of like
Little pancake.
pancake with chocolate and coconut.
Very nice.
The coffee. Try that.
Here's Chris at the second waterfall. This one's huge. What's this one called?
Tanambara. That's that town over there. That's Munduk. In the middle of the jungle.
There. Not up here where Chris says. Down here.
Yeah. There. That one.
Now we've seen the two waterfalls and we're heading back to the bike, and we're going to cheat and drive round to the third one. Because we have walked about 8 miles today. Chris is astounded by the size of this bamboo.
Look at the size of it. No wonder they use it for scaffolding. It's enormous. Can't believe it's a grass.
Yeah, but when they've got massive bamboo like this knocking around, why do they use those tiny little pieces to make bridges? You feel like you're going to fall through them. After a long day trekking,
A very long day trekking.
a well-deserved beer. Let me talk you through the stats. We've done 22,608 steps, over 16 kilometres.
Wow.
We've burnt off 2,400 calories, and we've gone up 194 floors.
194 floors.
Yeah.
Killer.
Is that noise? What is that?
The most annoying cicada in the world.
It's like an alarm clock. I can join in.
Don't burn it.
Christopher, go and stand at the end of that rainbow and collect your pot of gold.
Awful. You're Irish. You're watching this. That was awful.